Hello guys, and welcome to the latest episode of Rover, and welcome to episode number 92. And today I am at Kidwelly on the West Wales line, where services will be seen by Arriva Trains Wales only, although Great Western Railway do also serve here infrequently. Two services from Great Western Railway call here. A Carmarthen Paddington does it.
Yeah.
What time's that? Was that 07 something off?
That's the early morning one.
Do you know what time it leaves?
It's 07:29.
07:29 off of Carmarthen. And then one Pembroke Dock Paddington does it. Yeah, that's 15 something out of Carmarthen. I don't know, it's the 14:54 off of Pembroke Dock, so...
I thought it was 14:55.
Well, alright, bloody hell, I was out by a minute.
I know, I can try to work out myself.
Yeah, no, I think it's 14:55 off of Pembroke Dock. That also calls here when it arrives. Anyway, so yeah, generally it's Arriva Trains Wales. Now the fun fact about this station, it is a request stop, and it is a station that has not got semaphore signalling, unlike Pembrey and Buryport, which is a bit weird. You'd think that anything after this would have semaphores. I know Carmarthen doesn't, but you'd think this one does. Well, we know what the next... Oh my god, oh my god. I think I just want to unsee what I've just seen. I've just seen a dead bird. Look at the view over here, by the way, guys. This is what we're basically faced with throughout the whole of this session. It's beautiful. It really is really nice. I'm going to get a look at the other platform in a minute, so we'll go and show you. But anyway, joining me today is James's Railway Photography. So let's see what's on offer here, shall we? Let's get started here at Kidwelly. Is that how you say it in Welsh? Or is it just Kidwelly?
Just Kidwelly.
I don't know, because it says it's pronounced differently. It's
It's almost the same thing.
Yeah, so it's Kidwelly. Okay. Let's get started here at Kidwelly. Okay, passing now is an Arriva Trains Wales service to Pembroke Dock from Swansea. That was very fast. Faster than I thought. Alright, passing through now is an Arriva Trains Wales service from Pembroke Dock to Swansea. Brilliant two-tone. It's 152.59. Okay, passing through now is an Arriva Trains Wales service to Milford Haven. It's 175.007. And it's off to Milford Haven, calling at Carmarthen, Whitland, Clonderwin, Carmarthen Road, Haverford West, Johnston and Milford Haven. Okay, arriving now on request is the 1518 Arriva Trains Wales service from Carmarthen to Manchester Piccadilly. It's on the 175.001. Right, departing now is the 1518 Arriva Trains Wales service to Manchester Piccadilly from Carmarthen. That service is now calling at Pembrey and Buryport, Llanelli, Gowerton, Swansea, Neath, Port Talbot Parkway, Bridgend, Cardiff Central, Newport, Cwmbran, Abergavenny, Hereford, Leicester, Ludlow, Craven Arms, Church Stretton, Shrewsbury, Whitchurch, Nantwich, Crewe, Wilmslow, Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. Was I right, James?
You were right this time.
Yes, there we go. And that's 175001. Okay, passing through now is the final train in this video, and we weren't actually meant to see it. It's a pass from Milford Haven to Manchester Piccadilly. As that one goes past, I'm going to finish a video from Kidwelly here. So thank you all for watching this video from Kidwelly. If you have liked what you've seen here, please do like and subscribe. Please do leave any comments because we'll get back to them as and when I can. And any recommendations are welcome. Please do leave those in the comments as well. This station is absolutely amazing. I went to visit a trackside nearby, which unfortunately I wasn't able to get any footage of, although I really should have done. But I will definitely be coming back to this station. It's one I would recommend. It is an amazing little place. And the station itself is incredible. Great passes, great stoppers, great views, great scenery. Everything about the station is perfect. It's a clean little station, it's well looked after, and it's a 10 out of 10 station for me. 1,000,000%, no doubt about it, and it's been the best station of the day so far. So now for episode 93 of Rover, we're going to be going to Ferryside, so I shall see you all there. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you all at Ferryside. Goodbye. Okay, passing through now, we've got an Arriva Trains Wales service from Pembroke Dock to Swansea, which is 1:52:59. So the other one would have been something different, and we probably will find out what it is in a minute. Alright, passing through now is an Arriva Trains Wales service from Swansea to Pembroke Dock, which is 1:50, probably 2:58. No, it's 2:31, which was off to Fishguard earlier. Okay guys, thank you all for watching this short video from Ferryside. If you have liked what you've seen, then please do like and subscribe. Please do leave any comments because we'll get back to them as and when I can, and any recommendations are welcomed. So please do leave those in the comments. Apologies again for the very short video in this one. This video, I really didn't have a lot of time here, and the delays did not help at all. But I would have had longer here, would have been able to show you more if time had allowed more. But at least I can say I've been here. It's a lovely station. 10 out of 10 again. Ferryside is brilliant. Walked along the little seawall. It's beautiful. And I definitely will be doing Kidwelly and Ferryside in a separate trip. Probably along with Carmarthen at some point in the future. and I look forward to it, definitely. And we'll hopefully get some more people along to enjoy and maybe spend some more time at both these beautiful request stops. Both of them are incredible. I mean, would you agree, James?
Definitely. They are two of the best stations you can recommend.
Yeah. Kidwelly are lovely, Ferryside lovely, Carmarthen lovely, Pembrey lovely, Carmarthen lovely, West Wales lovely. So, you know, the lovely continues as now episode 94 of Rover is the final Trains Out video that takes part in this part of Wales, and it's from Carmarthen, which is in 2 weeks on the 30th of August. It's sad to say it's the last Trains Out video in Wales for now, before I say bye bye to James's native and head elsewhere. So yes, I'll tell you something though. I've been from Seven Tunnel Junction to Lydney, over to Cardiff, over on all the valleys, which, you know, took a lot of effort to do. Treherbert, Merthyr Tydfil, Aberdare, Corriton, Rhadder, Maesteg, Bridgend, Barry Island, Penarth,
almost from
Ebervale as well.
Yeah, Pyle
to Swansea, West Wales, and everything in between Cardiff and Bridgend.
Yeah, and then of course it all ends in 2 weeks.
And it all ends in 2 weeks. So obviously I'll probably tell you what the best stations I did in Wales were when I hit Carmarthen in 2 weeks. But until then, it's goodbye from me at Ferryside, and an almost goodbye to Wales. Sad. It's kind of sad though, because, you know, I've been in and out of Wales so much recently. It's not going to feel normal once I go back into England again, and then start filming all towards Weymouth. That's going to be interesting, but it's going to be fun anyway. I look forward to it. Here comes our train. I'm going to film it coming in anyway. It's 1:52:50 on the 1708 Arriva Trains Wales service from Carmarthen to Manchester Piccadilly. And this video has probably exceeded 6 minutes now, so I'm probably happy.
God help us.
Yeah, God help us, that's all I say. What a shame. What a crying shame. Good luck, people at Swansea and Cardiff, and good luck to us. See you guys very soon. Goodbye, guys.